With nearly 40 years of experience in the UK motor trade, we have firmly established ourselves as leaders in premium repair solutions that are built to last a lifetime. This critical component often experiences a range of common issues, such as getting stuck in the top or bottom position, randomly sticking in certain gears, delays in gear changes, illumination and LED failures, storing negative fault codes, or even complete failure. At Cluster Repairs UK, we don't provide quick fixes for just one issue. We deliver a full comprehensive rebuild of your JLR gear selector module, backed by a full lifetime warranty.